Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to publish your Base44 app on the Google Play Store. To do that you will need a third-party app. For example, use App My Site. Then click on Create App. Enter the app name and choose Web to App. Next go to your Base44 dashboard. Make sure your app is already published. Click Publish. Next copy the live URL. Next go to App My Site website, paste the link. Next tap on Create App. Now select your design preferences. Then click Continue. On the left side click Review. You will see how your app looks on an Android device. The preview will load your Base44 website inside the app, and you can even test navigation and login if you want. Once your apps look good, click Publish on the left menu. From here choose Google Play Store. In the Google Play console, create a developer account if you don't have any and upload your Android app build. Submit the app, and once Google reviews and approve it, your Base44 app will appear in the Google Play Store. That was all. Thanks for watching.